Hey guys, welcome to the Social Club. It's Daddy Snorlax.
I'm Mini Charmander.
And today it is episode 99. That's right. 99 episodes of the Social Club. Only seems like yesterday when we started it. So to celebrate, we are going to open up a Shiny Crobat Vmax box. Thanks very much to Eclipse Cards and Min for sorting us out with this. It was the only one we could get hold of. 7 packets of Shining Fates goodness and 3 pink flyboys. It's pretty cool. Should we get the box open?
Yes, we shall.
See you in a mo.
2 hours later.
Hey guys, we are back. We have opened the box and we have, well, first off,
Code card.
a code of card. There we go. And then we've got the promos, which are real cool, which are worth getting just for themselves, really. So you've got the Crobat V Shiny.
Yeah.
It's got nice big teeth.
The Crobat Vmax Shiny, which has got even bigger teeth.
There we go. Pretty cool. Do like the shinies. And to top it all off, you get
The
a
Jumbo,
Chonky Jumbo VMAX.
which has even got bigger teeth.
Big teeth. And
Chonk coin.
a Hooking Great Coin. That's pretty cool. It's a bit of a prism effect there. But it's pretty big. Why is it so big?
I don't know.
No, me neither. There you go. Right.
Snorlax, hold it.
Hold it. No, don't bother. And then, of course, you get 7 packs of Shining Fates.
An odd number.
It is a strange number, actually. But only one Dragapult, which we'll leave that one till last.
That is very
Should we get them open?
Yes.
Cool. Right, as we go for the first opening, episode 100, which will be very soon, or the next episode, there'll be a special subscriber giveaway. So stay tuned for that. It'll be a very special opening with a very special prize. So you want to get yourself subscribed right now and look out for episode 100. Right, here we go.
Okay, so we have a Dark Energy, Thwacky, Floatzel, Rusted Shield, Trapinch, Yangma, Boozle.
Almost. Buizel, that's it. Yeah, good one.
Brookie, not Croaky. Cutie Fan.
Oh! Rainbow rare. Amazing rare. Reshiram, I wish it was a rainbow rare, but it's not.
Is it a double?
We've had that a few times. No, a Frost Moth.
Really?
Well, that's not a bad start.
This is not a bad start.
We'll take that. 1 for 1. On to the next one. So yeah, 100 episodes very soon. I didn't think we'd get to 10 episodes, to be brutally honest, but there we go. Surprise even me. Right, here we go, another Dark Energy.
Ooh. Dark Energy, Cramorant, Thwacky, Ball Guy, I just like that. Trapinch, Rowlet, Nickit, Shinx, Cacnea, Decidueye,
and Manaphy. Manaphy is pretty much always the rare chase card. So many Manaphies.
There is so many.
So little time.
Yeah.
Right, here we go. Another one.
How many? Luxio, Doom Trainer, Tropius, Rookie, Cutie Fan,
Snom.
Yangma, Glossifer, Rotom, what do we have
and
here?
the Yanmega.
I think I might know why it's all dark types, because Crobat's a dark type. So they might have got all dark type energies in.
You think?
With that. Maybe.
Let's find out. I'd be surprised if this is a dark type.
Oh,
There we
as
go.
soon as I said that, it's different.
Really badly cut energy.
Yeah.
Look at that, hardly anything at the top there.
Jeez. Floatzel, Luxio, Team Yell Towel, Tutor, he's eating whatever they're called. Trapinch, Coughing, Shinx.
Oh, baby shiny Scorbunny.
It looks so cute.
And
Double banger? No.
no, a
Celebi
Celebi.
always appears too. Is that the chase
I
card?
don't mind Celebi. Manaphy is a bit rubbish. Right, 3 packs left. Here we go.
Let's see if we get anything else.
Right. You can get that ball guy in a full art form, I believe, so that's one to watch out for.
Metal Energy, Ball Gun,
There he is again.
Rusted Shield, Dartrix, Weasel, Cufant, Cacnea, Gossifur, Nickit, Frostmoth,
And Zarude.
Zarude.
Not that impressive.
This is getting
Yeah, so an amazing rare and a mini shiny is not so good out of this.
yeah,
Let's keep our fingers. Oh, something there.
there is something.
Keep our fingers crossed for something.
There
Looks
is.
like a VMAX or a V. Water energy.
Water Energy, Rusted Sword, Luxio, Floatzel, Snom, Yangma, Glossifur, Eevee, Shiny Covenant.
Shiny Covenant. So this
This
is
is
a
going to be a double banger.
double banger. That's pretty cool. Not had that one before. And
Oh, yeah,
Ditto VMAX. Still to get the shiny Ditto. That would be lovely.
Yeah,
But we'll take a Ditto VMAX. We do have it, but we'll take it.
it's so cute. And look,
Final pack. Here we go.
is the only Dragapult ever to be seen.
Final pack magic. Here we come.
Hopefully.
Another badly cut water
Thingy
energy.
Energy, Dartrix, Bolgang, Cramorant, Yangma, Trapinch, Grookey, Shinx,
See something there.
Goffing, Eevee,
Maybe it was that Eevee. And oh no, Birdkeeper,
Birdkeeper.
full art trainer.
forgot what it's
Oh no, hold on a minute.
What?
Hmm?
What?
That's a bit. How many were in that pack?
Is that 12 in a pack?
1,
And
2,
there's
3,
not
4,
supposed
5,
to?
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Who knew? Well, there we go. I've seen that happen before. I think Millennial Collector had that in one of his packs.
But Birdkeeper, I forgot what the bird is called, isn't it?
Starly.
Yes, Starly.
There we go. That's pretty cool. I like
He
that.
likes keeping Starly.
I like that. That's pretty good. So not too bad. A couple of VMAX, a couple of baby shinies, and
Baby shinies.
an amazing rare Reshiram, which we've had a few times in Japanese and English, but we'll take it. So there we go. That is it. That's episode 99 done. Keep your eyes out for episode 100, and remember to get subscribed now and be ready for episode 100, a very special opening. I hope you'll all join us for that. Otherwise, that's it from Daddy Snorlax.
I'm Mini Charmander.
And we'll see you at episode 100. Bye.